In this video, I'll show you how to clear Apple Music cache. So if your Apple Music is taking up too much storage, then this is how you can free some. The first thing you need to do is come over to your settings and scroll down until you find music, press on it, and where you see sync library is enabled, we need to disable it and then confirm to turn it off. After it's turned off, you need to open the Apple Music app so that the cached files can be deleted. Once you've had it open for around 5 seconds, close it, come back into your settings and turn the sync library setting back on and reset Apple Music. That should clear the cache. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.